Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would be discussing the details about the next variant of Astra missile, which will be ready for trials by 2022. And this is a news according to the sources of DRDO. During recent time, we have been hearing many news on India working on various indigenous weapons, missiles, aircrafts, and various other equipments. And this is indeed a very good news for Indian defense sources, since making all defense items indigenously would reduce the time for procurement and also the cost. Even in the manufacturing of parts for the AMCA program and the LCA Tejas variants, HAL would be involving many private companies. Even yesterday, I uploaded a video on the same in which I mentioned the names of such private companies which would help India build critical parts for the combat aircrafts. Now, coming to the missile details, according to the defense sources, a variant of Astra Beyond Visual Range air to air missile, which is under development, might be ready for initial trials from 2022 onwards. These Astra IR close combat missiles will be equipped with imaging infrared homing for shorter ranges up to 40 kilometers. Just to see what actually the Astra missile family belongs to, Astra is an all-weather beyond visual range air-to-air missile developed by DRDO, and this is the first air-to-air missile which was developed by India. The eagerness to develop more variants of Astra came after successful development of Astra Mark 1. There are few variants planned for future, which are: the first one is the Astra IR, which I mentioned just now. The second one is the Astra Mark 2, which will have range of 160 kilometers. The third one is Astra Mark 3, which will have range up to 340 kilometers. The Astra IR, which DRDO is planning to make it ready for trial, will be capable of operating in lock-on before launch and lock-on after launch modes, and the IR seeker will allow the missile to autonomously detect, track, and lock on the targets. We all know that Astra missiles manufactured by DRDO and Bharat Dynamics went through a series of tests from 2003 till 2014, and even the flight trials were performed using Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jets. These tests were mainly to validate the control system, the airframe, the propulsion system, the dual mode guidance, and the night firing capability. The various launch platforms planned or in place are the MiG-29, the MiG-29K, Mirage 2000, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, and LCA Tejas. Not just the Astra missiles, but the Defense Research and Development Organization and Indian Air Force are also developing the next generation close combat missile for Air Force fighter jet fleets. So that was a quick update regarding the Astra IR, which is going to be ready for trials by 2022. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.